Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pig upside down in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find a name tag. Then, use an anvil to rename that tag to either Dinnerbone or Grum. Finally, simply right-click on any pig with your newly named tag and watch it magically flip upside down. It's a fun and easy trick to impress your friends in the game. Finding a name tag is your first step. You can often discover them in chests located within dungeons or abandoned mineshafts while exploring. Another method is fishing. With a bit of luck, you might reel one in as a treasure. Alternatively, if you have a good trading relationship, librarian villagers might offer them for emeralds. Once you have a name tag, you'll need an anvil. Place the anvil down, then open its interface. Put your name tag into the first slot. In the text field, carefully type either Dinnerbone or Grum. Make sure the spelling is exact, as capitalization matters. This process will consume a small amount of your experience points. With your renamed name tag ready, find a pig you want to flip. Simply hold the Dinnerbone or Grum name tag in your main hand. Then, right-click on the pig. You'll see its name appear above its head, and instantly, the pig will turn upside down. This effect is purely visual and doesn't change its behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.